goodbye to wrinkles thanks to this. Beauty is a topic that is very fashionable. There are certain standards that one must meet in order to be considered beautiful and attractive. The reality is that we have to get rid of everything that can degrade our face: spots, scars, and especially wrinkles. Every year they spend large sums of money looking to rejuvenate and freshen their faces. Not only with the surgery can you eliminate wrinkled and sagging skin, this can also do. Since ancient times, garlic has been used as a medicinal plant. Its properties are wonderful to maintain health in optimal conditions. It is an antioxidant and antibiotic which prevents the development of diseases. But what few know is that garlic is wonderful to eliminate wrinkles. We will teach you to make a simple mask with which you can rejuvenate your face in a short time. You will achieve insurmountable changes. Once you try it, you will not be able to part with it. Best of all, it is extremely economical and easy to do. The ingredients are so simple to get that if you do not have them at home, you can run to any store and buy them. You will need 1 or 2 garlic, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of clay powder. Preparation: peel a clove of garlic and mash very delicately. Then add a teaspoon of honey and a teaspoon of clay powder. Mix well until a homogeneous paste is obtained. This is a great face mask. How to use: before applying this mask, wash the face very well to open the pores and remove the dirt that may be accumulated. Then carefully place the mask on the face and let it act for 30 minutes. Remove with warm water and dry with a clean towel. Another option is to leave the mask overnight. In this case, take your forecasts, because the pillow and blankets can become dirty.